This video is a brief tutorial on how I fixed my Panasonic SD-YD250 bread maker utilizing 3D printing. During a recent move, the ceramic bobbin broke, as you can see here. This component holds the heating element in position. During the baking cycle of bread making, the heating element glows red hot. Without the bobbin, the heating element touches the metallic side of the bread maker interior, which is probably something of a fire hazard. A replacement bobbin costs about $5. Unfortunately, the part is no longer manufactured and I could not find a replacement parts store or website that had one in stock. So, my $200 bread maker was rendered useless for lack of a $5 replacement part. Fortunately, with the amazing technology of 3D printing, there is an alternative solution. Using a free computer-aided design software package called SketchUp, I was able to digitally design a replacement bobbin. I tried to copy the design elements of the original bobbin as closely as I could, but I had to make a few small design changes. Specifically, I had to make the part wider than the original. More on this later. Once the part was designed, I exported the design to a compatible file format and uploaded it to shapeways.com. Shapeways allows you to upload and 3D print your digitally designed files utilizing a variety of materials. The material that we are interested in is ceramic, which has a maximum temperature of 500 degrees centigrade. The minimum bounding box is 120 millimeters. Which means that the X, Y, and Z dimensions, when added together, should be greater than 120 millimeters. The original Panasonic part was a bit too small. This is why I widened the piece. The wider piece met this printing requirement, which allowed Shapeways to print the part. The cost of the part was about $14. I've made the file available on the website in case other people would like to print this component. A few weeks later, a box arrived and this is what came out. The part looks pretty good. The only problem is that due to the glaze that Shapeway puts on its ceramics, the hole for the screw is a little bit too small. This is easily fixed by drilling it out. In the final file that I uploaded to the Shapeways website, I have widened this hole to account for the wall thickening that happens when the glaze is applied. So if you print this file, hopefully you won't have the same problem. The next step is to see if it fits in the bread maker. And it does. One final step remains, baking a loaf of bread. It's probably best to do this during the daytime when you're around in case there is a malfunction with the bread maker or the new part. And there it is. The new ceramic piece worked perfectly and now I have a functioning bread maker and a kitchen that smells like fresh baked bread. I hope you have found this video helpful. Maybe it will help you to fix your bread maker. Happy printing!